Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up CarPlay in your Nissan Kicks. First, verify your iPhone is compatible and updated to the latest iOS. Next, confirm your Nissan Kicks model supports Apple CarPlay. Then, start your vehicle and ensure the infotainment system is powered on. Some systems may require the vehicle to be in park for setup. These initial checks ensure a smooth connection process. To connect, if using a wired setup, plug your iPhone into the Nissan's USB 1 port with a high-quality lightning cable. For wireless CarPlay, first ensure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone. Then, press and hold the voice command button located on your steering wheel. This action initiates the wireless pairing process with your vehicle's system. Now on your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, and finally select CarPlay. From the list of available cars, choose your Nissan Kicks. You will then see prompts appear on both your iPhone and the car's infotainment screen. Simply accept these to allow contacts and enable CarPlay. Once accepted, your iPhone will seamlessly integrate with your vehicle. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the Nissan's infotainment system often resolves common glitches. For wired connections, trying a different certified USB cable can also make a big difference. Ensure Siri is enabled on your iPhone, as it's crucial for CarPlay functionality. If problems persist, you might need to delete and repair your phone in the Bluetooth settings. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, along with other great deals. Enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.